Okay guys, we got a 2022 Honda Insight. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. This is the glove box on the passenger side. We're going to open it, push this piece in, push that in as well, and it'll drop down. From there, the filter cover is just that top piece right there. There is a latch right here. I'll pop that off. Pop that off as well. You're gonna be popping these off right here over that tab. And that is the air filter. Just remove that. If it's dirty, you can replace it. If it's clean, you can leave it in there. If it's like this, blow it out and put it back in. And then the airflow goes down. Put that back in there. And just make sure you don't break those tabs when you're pulling it out. That's how you do it. It's really easy. And thanks for watching.